So I was talking to a customer recently, and they were describing a problem they had run into a couple months back where some of their application owners were calling up the SAN administrator saying, I'm seeing performance issues, I'm seeing slowdowns, what's the cause of this? And they actually said they spent weeks trying to investigate what went on. And at the end of it, they finally discovered that the root cause, the cause of the impact, the application performance issue, came from a software upgrade one of the application owners had made, impacted the behavior of the accesses to a database, and that slowed down other applications. But they didn't have the insight. They didn't have the tools available to them to be able to go in to detect that change in the application behavior, the way it was accessing the storage array. If they had had that visibility, they would have been able to identify that root cause, not in days, not in hours, but in minutes. They would have been able to identify that, correct it, and get things back where they should be. Our customers are deploying Brocade fiber channel SAN networks because they want 100% availability. They want the predictable performance that our networks provide them with. So they want instrumentation that can be deployed in the same way. They don't want to take a disruption. They don't want to have any degradation from the tools. That's where the analytics monitoring platform really shines. It can be implemented into the environment with no disruption, no degradation whatsoever. Once it's in place, you've got complete visibility into the performance of the storage network end to end. And by that we mean we can monitor all the way from the host side of the environment to the storage devices. We can monitor the performance. Why is that important to you? Well, having complete visibility makes it easier to identify the root cause of problems. If there's an issue that's occurring within the fabric, within the storage device, somewhere within the host, the server, the application stack, we can immediately pinpoint where that problem exists, so you're not wasting time, you're not wasting resources looking for something where no problem exists. It's not acceptable to have downtime. It's not acceptable to have outages. If there's a performance issue, it's costing our customers money. It's dollars and cents to them. We found that a lot of these larger data center environments, minutes of downtime can cost them tens of thousands of dollars. The average outage today can run upwards of $500,000 in terms of business impact. So our customers are really looking for tools to be able to provide them with the visibility to immediately identify the source of these problems, not only to fix it right now, but to be able to put in changes, to be able to modify things so that in the future, those types of problems don't occur in the first place. Brocade's implemented and developed lots of capabilities that can look at the fabric, can look at the infrastructure of the network environment. We can provide that resiliency, that robustness, but the customers are really needing to go deeper than that. They need to understand what the application workloads look like. They need to look at the storage devices and understand if there's contention, if there's issues going on that go beyond the physical fabric layer. And that's really what we focused on with these latest solutions, is providing our customers with those tools, with the insight to go deeper, to really understand what these workloads look like. And if there's a problem, giving them immediate visibility to get down into the application, the device level performance behaviors, so they can root cause, troubleshoot, figure out where that problem is, and get things back up and fully operational. If you'd like more information about the Brocade Analytics Monitoring Platform, we'd be happy to arrange a chance to give you a deep dive, customized demonstration of the product so you can see firsthand how this can provide value to you and your specific environment. For more information, please visit the Brocade website.